Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to unboxing this Chanel card holder, which is £385. I got it from Harrods. I really love Chanel's flower here. That's really cute. This is a small box for such a cute bag. And inside there's a dust bag. I think the dust bag is really nice. I think the quality of this dust bag is even better than like Chanel classic flap bag, like the dust bag. I mean, just the feeling, the texture is really expensive. It feels really expensive, like special material. And the inside, like it's like outside it's like leather. Inside is like cloth, so it's like 2 layers. It's really nice. And this is the card holder, which it covered with like this blue like plastic to protect this metal, like light gold metal. Let me show you guys the metal. Yes, it's gold metal. The leather is green, the calfskin leather. With the textures, and also the back of this card holder, there's a small pocket. You can maybe put your travel card here, so it's easier to reach when you go into the station. And when we open this bag, like inside, it's like this. There's a Chanel logo here. Chanel logo, and also inside. This part is says made in France. Made in France. And inside is like red color cloth with a side pocket here. The side pocket here inside is black cloth. And with the sticker here, we all know that Chanel bag has identical sticker inside each bag. No matter it is a big bag or small bag, they all have like those identical sticker here. And also with the sticker, it comes with like a certificate card, like individual, like identical one, same number with the sticker. So this number matches the code inside the bag, proves it's like an original bag. And there is only one number of each bag. So when you go to store, you can ask them, is this original or is it fake? So overall, I think this is a really cute card holder with a like affordable price, like £385. Compared with other brands, I think it's really good price compared with Louis Vuitton or something else. And the quality is really nice. The texture feels just expensive and feels like you have a taste. If you buy a Louis Vuitton, the design may be more young, like more trendy, but if you buy a Louis Vuitton card holder, maybe it's like more trendy. But for Chanel, I think it's more classic, more, you know, you can use maybe like forever. You can pass this card holder to your children, to your grandchildren. So I always think like buying a Chanel bag is much valuable than buying a Louis Vuitton bag, you know. So thank you guys for watching to this video. So if you like this bag, please check the link down below, and also give me some likes and follow my Instagram. I have so many giveaways on Instagram.